Are we going? Are we live? All right, everybody. Jessie at Jessie's Performance here. Today is a big day for Stacy and the Transmaro. Today I will be test fitting the LSX 388 that we had built a little while back into the car. Little update on the car. I don't know if we've shown much, but I got the tube front. Oh, that's real close. Can you see me? We got the front end done. For the most part, I got the strut towers. I don't know what you can. I can't see myself there. Can you see me there? Oh, okay, that's different. So I got the chromoly bars for the strut towers in. I got the frame rail all fixed. I got the upper frame rail installed, the one I built. This is all chromoly. I think we did a little bit of a video on it before, but one of the things I wanted to keep was a stock firewall, stock strut towers, and stock floor in this car, just so if we ever want to do some hot rod racing, we would fit into, you know, a stock chassis class. It's all steel car, so I don't want to take anything from it until we have to. But now it's got a chromoly K-member and stuff in it now. We got the ICT billet solid mounts. We got this phone mounts for their K-member. So this thing should literally go right in. I got it up on jack stands a little bit so I can get the cherry picker underneath of it without bashing her up too bad. Yeah, we'll cut to a time lapse and I'll get working on this thing. I might take my hoodie off, it's hot in here. Alright, so me and Stacy worked really hard to get this motor in this car. No, I'm just kidding. We got it in. I got the mounts about 3/4 welded. The motor's right where we want it. We had some, as you could see on the, you know, we tried a couple different sets of headers, and what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna end up using the OG Transmaro up and or down and forwards. They were up and forwards that I converted to down and forwards. And then I'll just lop twin turbo fixtures off of them and build from the headers forward for the new single turbo.
Single turbo.
Because Stacy asked that was single turbo, I don't know.
Big single turbo.
I've been trying to talk her into twins for, I don't know, all day. But,
my old race car had a big single forward facing turbo, and I want the same thing. Just want this one to work a little better.
yeah, but it will. You got enough cubic inches. Alright, so here, Stacy, show them.
Okay, so
basically,
we got the mountain.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of trimming on this driver's side mount pedestal.
It's hitting on the header there.
Yep, and I recall this action from the last time I built this car when I had the other K member. The other K member got wrecked in the wreck, or got bent up in the wreck. So
wrecked in the wreck.
It's got wrecked in the wreck, yeah. So I got the new, we got the same coilovers on the front because those things got like not even 10 passes on them, right? And then we got a new brake rotor over here because it got bent. I got a new spindle over here because it got bent. I got a new, what do we got? Same lower control arms, new K member, same rack and pinion, everything, all that seems to be working right. Somewhere in the mix I lost the tie rod in for the passenger side, so I'm gonna have to find that somewhere. But I'll work on trimming up this pedestal for the mount so I can get this header put up on here, and then I'm just gonna cut them here. I had these all, they used to look really good, then they got rusty just from, well, they're not rusty, they're just tarnished just from sitting and a lot of heat. And did we have them wrapped? I don't think we had them wrapped around. It was
I don't think so.
It was all polished and
yeah,
looked really good.
was all polished.
So I'm gonna cut it off. We'll get them bolted on there with gaskets, and then I'll start building. We gotta get a turbo. And I gotta put a front end on this thing so I can know where we're putting the turbo. And yeah, we'll have to put a scavenge pump on the turbo and stuff, I think. Just as low as we want to mount it in the license plate. I think we're gonna put it where the factory, like IROC Camaro license plate hole would be. I guess it's not really license plate, it's where the bumper, where it says Camaro. I think that's where we're gonna put it. Because it's not a Camaro, so we don't need to say that. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Depends on what angle you're looking at.
Yeah. So we're gonna work on getting the headers on. We're gonna work on getting steering working on this thing so it's easier to push around. Maybe give it, a tape measure alignment so it pushes easier, because it's got a spool in it now. It used to have a pause unit in it. Now it's got a spool. It sucks to push with a fucked up alignment and not being able to steer and a tie rod missing and stuff. So slow progress. We do have Mr. Wendell building a badass transmission for this thing. I think we're like 4 weeks out on that, just waiting on a reed case. So
he's gonna powder coat my case purple.
Yes, the case is gonna match the motor. Everything's gonna be pretty nice on this car. So yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, we're gonna be working on it more. Stacy needs to make a damn video of this thing already and get it up for us so people can see.
I'll make this video.
All right, cool. Yeah, of course she's gonna make it. It's about her car, right? Of course she's gonna get that one up. Your butt on the bar. Near-death experience.